Let me take you to Sky shares that have moved higher in the early part of the trading session after Comcast's victory over 21st Century Fox in a weekend auction for the pay television group. 8.7% higher is how Sky has spiked this morning. Now, announcing the terms of its bid for Sky, the US cable giant and owner of this network, Comcast, is offering £17.28 per share, valuing the UK media company at £30.6 billion. Sky immediately accepted the offer and recommended it to shareholders, who have until the 11th of October to decide. The deal represents a 125% premium, that's right, 125% premium to where the pay TV group was trading before the bid battle with Fox started in December of 2016. Here's a quick look at the rest of the stocks in the sector, and you can see most of them trading high, the exception BT. ITV up about 0.4%. Vivendi, the big French pay TV group, trading north 1% higher. And we've got RCS Media Group also moving north in the early part of the trading session. So the question for many investors is whether this consolidation from Comcast side to take over Sky is going to be the trigger for more consolidation across the European media stocks. After what we've had has been a very strong move to consolidate assets in the States. Europe was kind of lagging behind, so this could just be the early part of the process. Let's get out to Julianna, who's been covering the story for us this morning from Sky's headquarters. Julianna, it was a silent bid process over the weekend where both bidding parties could not see the offers tallied up from either side. And what we've had was a huge gap that emerged between the Comcast and Disney Fox side. Tell us about this rather full price that Comcast is paying for Sky. Can you see value?
Thank you, Karen. Yes, Comcast came in with a bid of £17.28, which was significantly higher than Fox's bid and also at the top end of analyst and investor expectations. Now, part of the reason for this full price is connected to the next stage in this process, and that is the tender process, whereby Comcast must go out to Sky shareholders and appeal to them to achieve 50% acceptance in order to lock in the deal. In terms of this next step in the process, Comcast has until October 11th to reach and cross this 50% mark. Now, the key question moving forward is around what Fox decides to do with their 39% stake. Should Fox decide to participate in this tender and sell their 39% stake, becomes a lot easier for Comcast to reach this key level. But should Fox decide to retain their stake and opt out of the process, it's much, much harder for Comcast to get there. They have to, at that point, achieve 50% acceptance from the available 61% of shares. So Comcast is, as we understand, in the market seeking to make purchases up to the offer price of 17.28p, inevitably providing some support for shares, and we've seen this big bounce today. So we are closer to the end, but not quite there yet, Karen.
Julianna, thank you very much for fleshing out the detail around this deal for us.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.